These waffles contain no oil, are plant-based, and gluten-free. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 cup gluten-free flour or regular flour, 1/4 cup cornstarch, half teaspoon each of baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Stir to combine and set aside. Next come the chickpeas. Any size can will do. Drain your beans. Save and chill the liquid and add 1/4 cup of chickpeas to a food processor, 1 cup of plant-based milk, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar also. Finally, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Process until smooth and then add to a large mixing bowl. Instead of 2 real eggs, follow the instructions for your favorite egg replacer and add to the mix. Stir to combine. Take your chilled aquafaba and blend on high speed, whipping until you have stiff peaks. Set aside and add your dry ingredients to your liquid ingredients, stirring until combined. It's okay if you see a few lumps in your batter, that's normal. Gingerly add your aquafaba to the batter, folding in until just combined. This step will keep your batter fluffy and your waffles light. To a preheated waffle maker, scoop the batter. If you use a nonstick cooking spray, feel free to do that. These are best served immediately, but you can crisp them in the oven at 350 degrees for 5 minutes. I like to top mine with heated maple syrup, fresh blueberries, and the zest of a Meyer lemon. These are very tasty and can be stored in the refrigerator and slipped into a toaster to reheat. If you like this video, please subscribe for more content. Have a wonderful day.